My name is David.
I'm Melissa. We are in the interior design business. For us, we are in our late 40s, so we have never done investing before. We want to have financial freedom, so we are looking for causes or options for us to achieve the financial freedom faster.
We totally have no stocks, shares, investment knowledge, so we are here to learn something.
I like everything about the course, but what is interesting is the VIA funnel. Taught me what is intrinsic value. Then I learned quite a number of financial terms because we are not financially trained. So I think this course exposed us to know what is like ROA, ROE, all these kind of terms. So it helped us in the growth of our knowledge. Understand how to look out for the company stock, be it SG stock or US stock to buy. You study the company, you understand the figures, so you are an informed investor and you're not speculating. So I think that is very helpful to me. This course, I think it will benefit us a lot and we must really click and then to earn back the course fee. And also I hope with the knowledge that we gain, we can help our friends. In fact, before even I finish this course, I have been telling some other friends who are interested in investment to come join the course, attend the master class, find out more, because I feel Cayden is very sincere in helping people, passing on his knowledge to benefit people.